Hello everybody. Hello Bab.
Hello.
Just a quick one this guys. Let me take my glasses off a second so I can see the camera. Just an update on next week. And you probably won't see any videos for a couple of days because I want to get a couple of days in front, if you get what I mean. Otherwise it becomes a little bit of a rush to try and get it edited. If you know the channel, I usually cook and upload the same day. And sometimes it becomes a little bit of a mission. So anyway, on the week ahead, Nat and I, we just said we both fancy some homely food really, if you get what I mean. Some nice comfort food. So next week we're going to be doing Great British Pub Classic Meals. That's what we're doing, guys. There's loads of different stuff you can do, but I'm going to do things that I would have if I went to a pub, if you get what I mean. And then maybe I might do another part 2 in a few months and do things that you'd have. You know what I mean? Because there's that much stuff, isn't there? So that's what it all is, really.
Light. There is light.
You all right, Bab? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, that's what it is, really. It's, so if you don't see any videos for a couple of days, that's why I just want to get in front. I'm going into town now to get some ingredients and some stuff and all that stuff. You know what I mean? We're going for a coffee, ain't we, babe? So a bit of a vlog thing, I suppose, guys, and just a bit of an update on the week ahead. So I haven't gone missing for that Scotch bonnet I ate. I'm just trying to get in front on the days. But I want to start it on the Monday. And I'm going live this week on Thursday. But I'll probably be doing quite a long live, guys. But you're not in, are you? You're not in, are you?
Doing that foul, you know.
I've got to do that foul, yeah. You're not in, are you? So I'll probably do a long live, guys. So anyway, now wants to go and have a look at some bits and bobs, and we're going to get a coffee. Coffee time. Done a bit of shopping. We've had a busker, and we've had outside Birmingham. Oh my God! Everyone was moaning. It was not so much the singing. It was all right singing, but how loud it was. We had to come down the other side of town. How loud it was. It was like being in a nightclub, weren't it? It was that loud, and it was heard. It was probably loud. It was hurting everybody's ears. It's just so loud with his speaker. So we come to the other side of town. So we're having a coffee anyway. I was going to do some recording on the market, but because he's down there, you just can't hear anything, can you? You can't hear a thing. And I've been to Greg's anyway, and I've never had one of these before. I know people asked me to try them before. A katsu chicken curry. Steak bake thing. I've never had one. So this is going to get down my white top, isn't it? Do you see that, guys? And I've got no serviettes either, and that's just had a donut, take your Bab. Yeah. That hasn't got a mic on, you probably won't hear her. Want a bite? I just got a lot of pastry, I don't think it much filling. I will try again. That ain't bad actually. Making a right mess.
It smells very katsu.
Yeah, it tastes just like if you buy some curry sauce, yeah.
Yeah, curry chicken.
That's all it tastes like, really. I don't know how much it was. I can't remember. I think it was £3 something with a coffee or something like that. I can't remember.
That's what it is.
Hold that minute for me, man. I've got no serviettes. They got none in.
My bag, I'm gone. Give me a second. Yeah, I've got some
You got some back for me.
I've only got 2 left.
Yeah,
Two
I only
or three
need
left.
one.
Just take them. Just take them out quickly.
Look at me. If I didn't have a nap with me, guys, I'd be a right stain. I'm terrible,
One
eh?
anyway, so that's
Oh. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Thank you.
Hands are sticky as well. You got tissue, you just put tissue in your mouth.
I can taste it.
It's stuck on your lips, and as you lick your lips, it really
Yeah, I can taste it, yeah. Eating paper, well, tissue. Yeah, so it's just a quick one, guys, just to say, I ain't gone anywhere. I'll be there Monday, because I wouldn't have done another video for a few days. I just want to get ahead of my playthrough. So look out for that. I'm going live Thursday. It's going to be quite a long stream, I think. And that's going out at 9, ain't ya? In the morning. So I might go live about 10. If anyone's available, anyone wants to pop on, I'll be on probably all day till about 3. I've got to do that fowl curry. Ooh. Ooh. No, no, rolling her eyes. Oh, bless. Anyway, we've got to go to Sports Direct now. We've got to get the leather gum shield, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we've got to go to Sports Direct, and then we've got to go to Aldi,
Then we can go home.
and then we can go home. Shopping done. Oh, God. Yeah, so guys, tune in next week and see the good old Great British pub classics. The ones that I like. The ones that you like will be coming in probably a couple of months or something. There's loads of different things, ain't there? I've had a busy couple of days, really, to be honest. I had to set my old shed down. Actually, I'll show you when I get home. I had to set my old shed down. It was falling apart. And we've got a motorbike in there, which we had before, and that was disabled. It's only done about 170 mile, I think, or something. Brand new it was. Cost me about £5 I think, at the time. Only a 125 rev and go thing. So paid £5 for it, brand new. And she couldn't drive because she become disabled after she bought it. But let me show you something when I get there. Let me show you something when I get home. Me and Nat didn't even know this until I emptied my shed out. I mean, it's knackered anyway, the bike now, ain't it, Bab? So, let me show you guys. There's Roxy, if you can hear her. God. You got to get your legs run over. Rox. God. Go on, go on. Dogs are mad. Yeah, let me just show you this, guys. Yes, okay, okay. Let me just show you this. This was mad. Let me just show you. I'm going to blur the top bit out because Nat doesn't want anyone to see the top bit. But let me show you. Look at the veg, OFG. Would you believe that? Huh? It's meant to be, guys. It's meant to be. That's weird, isn't it? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, 260 mile up, 268 mile. It's knackered now. It's been in the shed for 15 years. Your boy. I know. I did say to her when she become disabled, let's get rid of it. And she said, no, okay, to get better. But so it's just sat there. Right away. So it's knackered, ain't it? But yeah, OFG, that's amazing, ain't it?
How many years ago was that?
Oh, God, 14 years ago, something like that. 15 years ago. I don't know, a while ago anyway.
And that's just mad because we didn't even...
We've never even knew, did we? Never even knew. So, guys, there we go. That's for the day. Just a little bit of an explanation of what's happening next week. So, I will be on for Monday, getting a few bits and bobs, and we'll start our Great British Classics. So, till then, guys, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.